and welcome back to part 2 of the Amati Orient Express sleeper coach, and in this part we attempt first the buffer suspension system, and how we do this we will see in the first video. Okay, so since the battery boxes are looked a little bit naked, I decided to make some snap locks and also some hinges with styrene. And that I have done on both battery boxes. And now you can say, why only both? Because there is a third box. This is not a battery box, because my first thought was, where are the fresh and where are the black water tanks? And since this is a very old model of the Orient Express, there is no black water tank, because this is the freshwater tank, and these old trains do not have any black water tanks, because I remember when I was still young, I'm a little bit older, that if you flush the toilet, there was a footstep beside the toilet and you can look on the rails. And so these old trains do not have any black water tanks. As for the air tank, you see it for yourself, it's beyond bad. And I decided to replace this brass strip with a piece of plastic what has already the original diameter, what fits perfectly to the ends of this air tank, and this is already round and don't need any further labor. So plastic is maybe the better choice than this brass. Okay, so far we have now placed the battery boxes, the air tank and also the freshwater tank, and also added some little details what I think fits perfectly to the model. It's not provided in the kit, but I think this decals and the sticker and this battery switch and also the refill cap for the water is a perfect addition to this model. Anyway, the small paint chips here on the edge, it doesn't matter, because if I'm not mistaken, the edge of this chassis will be colored in in blue, the color of the Orient Express. And so we will end this part 2 with this picture. Some additional comment: the holes you have to drill there on the top, head A and head B, for the buffers and the hook and also the chains. I would advise to drill them before you add this PE part there on the top. Use this PE part to locate the holes and then drill it with 3 mm and with 2 mm, because that makes the job easier to align the buffers. That's a word of advice. Up to then, stay tuned and see you there.